welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first video then welcome. Today I'm going to be doing something that I've been so excited for. I'm going to be using my brand new Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. Now I've been so excited for this. I've been wanting to get a Jeffree Star palette for years. I have tried a friend's and I was very impressed with the formula, and I have been a big fan of his liquid lipsticks for many years as well. So I know that Jeffree Star always has amazing quality. So I've been really excited for this. This palette launched at 10 AM Californian time, and I live in Australia, so I set my alarm to get up at 2:30 in the morning just to order this, which I did, and I have to admit I was a little bit disappointed. They didn't even start processing my order until 2 weeks after I placed the order. After about 2.5 weeks, I decided to go on the website and put in my order number to get my order status, and it had said that it had shipped, but I didn't get my shipping email, so I emailed customer service. They said it would take up to 72 hours to get back to me, and they never got back to me. But I've received my palette in the end, so I'm glad for that, although I am a bit disappointed in the whole shipping situation. So I think maybe next time I will order off a different website. But yeah, enough of that anyway. So I'll give you guys a little look-see inside the palette. These are all the amazing shades. They're so beautiful. And I've been really excited to try the blue shades. So I'm going to be doing a blue look today. So let's just get into it. If you would like to see how I create this look, then please keep on watching. So I've got my face makeup done and my eyebrows, and I've got my eyelids primed with concealer. And now I'm going to be taking this small pencil brush and this shade here, which is called Delicious, and I'm going to be packing this on in the crease. Next I'm going to be going in with this blue shade here, which is called Soaked, and a crease brush. I'm just going to be applying this shade just above where I've put the dark blue and using this to help blend it out a bit. But I'm going to leave enough space to add in one last blue shade to blend it all out. So we've got the blue blended slightly. Now I'm not going to worry too much about the blend between these two colours just yet. I'm going to go in with the lighter shade. So I'm taking this shade here, which is called Brain Freeze, and I'm popping that on a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to do the exact same thing that I've just done, but with a lighter colour. Now I'm just going to go back in with those two darker shades and use those to blend the colours together a bit more, and I may go back in with the lighter shade as well. I'm just going to use all three of the colours and go back and forth. Alright, I think I'm done with my blending pretty much. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take some micellar water and some cotton tips, and I'm just going to remove the product that's on my eyelid so that I can get a cleaner cut crease. Okay, now I'm going to be carving out my crease, and I'm going to use my P.Louise base, and this is in the shade Rumour 0, and just a flat concealer brush. Okay, so I've got the crease carved out and I'm going to start adding in colour to the eyelid. So I'm going to be starting with the darkest blue on the outer edge of the eye, and I'm going to work my way through the colours, but I'm going to add in another colour into the inner corner of the eye, and that is going to be this sparkly white shade here, which is called Jawbreaker. Actually, I changed my mind about the shade that I'm using on the inner section of the eye. I'm going to take this white shade here called Virgin, just because I noticed that the Jawbreaker shade has a gold shimmer and I want to keep it a cool toned look. Alright, so that is the top of the eyes done. Now I'm going to take those same 3 blue shades and smoke out the lower lash line. To my waterline, I'm going to be applying my NYX Vivid Brights cream colour, and this is in the shade Blueprint, and I'm just going to be doing that using a small eyeliner brush. For highlight, I'm going to be taking my NYX Holographic Halo Finishing Powder, and this is in the shade Mermazing. For my tear duct to my brow bone, I'm going to be using this small eyeshadow brush. And for my cheekbone, I'm going to be using this fluffy highlighting brush. And I'm going to be spraying this with water first. Alright, last thing left to do now is just apply lashes and mascara. So I'm going to be using my Exo Beauty Faux Mink lashes, and these are in the style Exotic. Oh, that's what they look like. I'm just going to pop these on off camera and then I'll be back to show you guys the completed look. Okay, so this is the completed look with lashes. I also popped on a lipstick which is called Honey Love by MAC. I'm really digging this look. I love doing blue eye looks because I've got blue eyes, so I just feel like it ties in together really nicely. And these blues are so vibrant. This is literally the first time even touching these eyeshadows, and I'm like just in love. I had a look already planned out for me to film tomorrow, but I decided that I'm going to do another Jawbreaker look because I just want to play around with it so much. It's just so buttery and so pigmented, especially with a wet eyeshadow base. I found that when I was putting the eyeshadow on the cut crease, it just was like I just touched it once and it was completely covered, opaque, like 100%. It was crazy. Yeah, I'm really happy that I brought this palette. I will definitely be buying more Jeffree Star palettes in the future when I can afford it, because it is a little bit pricier. I think it costs probably about 100 Australian dollars including shipping, which is a bit pricey when you can get a Morphe palette for $35, but definitely better quality than a Morphe palette, I must admit. I really love this highlight too. I actually have had this highlight for a while. I got it as a gift from NYX for entering the NYX Face Awards New Zealand, and I haven't really used it since, but I've been wanting to use a bit more of the makeup that I don't really use that often, and I'm really glad that I did because I'm going to be using this so much more now in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please thumbs up and subscribe and turn on your post notifications if you don't want to miss any videos from me. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.